976, change to advised frequency approved. Talk to you later.
We've got the field in sight. We'll cancel IFR for flight 976.
976, radar service terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. I should 2 in the pattern for 10 now.
Roger, thank you very much.
Yep.
Being runway 10, Greely traffic.
Greely traffic, Cock 82, turning left, crosswind, 10 Greely.
Greely traffic, you got a citation 3 Tango Bravo about 10 to the east. Gonna enter left downwind runway 10, Greely.
Greely traffic, Star 481, midfield left downwind for 10, Greely.
Greely traffic, Cock 82 is left crosswind to downwind, 10 Greely.
Greely traffic, Star 2 Airman X-ray is upwind of runway at 10, east departure, leave the pattern, clear.
Greely traffic, got a citation 3 Tango Bravo entering on the left downwind runway 10, or 6,300.
Greely traffic, Star 481, turning left base for 10, touching go, Greely.
Greely traffic, Departure 43151, over the ending of 45 on the left downwind for runway 10, touch and goes. Greely traffic.
And Greely traffic, citation 3 Tango Bravo, we're left downwind about midfield for 10, Greely.
Traffic 82, turning left base, Greely. Trying to get out of your way, citation.
You're all right. We'll extend if we need to. We're looking for you.
I just turned base for a short final.
Oh, I got you in sight for 3 Tango Bravo.
Greely traffic, Sky 51, CC uniform, turning left crosswind for runway 10, Greely traffic.
Oh, this is beautiful up here, nice and green. All right, we're going to watch for that Skyhawk or whatever it is.
Greely traffic 82 is on short final, 10 Greely, touch and go.
All right, he's in touch and go. That's what we needed to know.
Greely traffic, Diamond 434 Lima Alpha, taxiing FBO, Alpha 2 runway 10, Greely.
Autopilot.
Greely traffic, Static 51, uniform, left downwind for runway 10, Greely traffic.
Greely traffic, citation 3 Tango Bravo, left base 10, Greely.
Traffic, 12 o'clock. Same altitude, 1 mile.
That guy's going. Greely traffic, citation 3 Tango Bravo, turning final 10, Greely.
Greely traffic, Archer 43151. We're 2.5 to the north. We'll enter on the left downwind for 10 after 22 uniform, Greely.
Greely traffic, Star 481, left crosswind for 10, Greely.
$500.
Checks. Oh, watch out, birdies.
Greely traffic,
Check
Skyhawk
runway.
82, turning left left crosswind.
Yeah, we know.
10 Greely.
Minimums.
Continue.
Greely traffic, Archer 43151. We'll wait to enter on the downwind after traffic on crosswind, Greely.
Greely traffic, Skag 5122 uniform, turning left base for
2000.
10, doing a touch and go. Greely traffic.
Greely traffic 882 crosswind, turning downwind, 10 Greely.
Good. Sky 481, midfield left downwind for 10, Greely.
And 3 Tango Bravo is clear of the active, Greely.
Taxiing Alpha to runway 10.